That intro.
Hi friends, it's me Alex Joseph Technic. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make a tape dispenser. So guys, tape dispenser is will be useful for your life. First, let's go to the making video. So guys, you need to take a piece of cardboard. Second, you need to take a sharpener scissors. Third, you need to take any type of tape. I am taking a big size tape. And last, you need to take a 1 pound stick. So guys, take a piece of cardboard and draw like this. Because I am drawing a snail shape like this. So guys, you can draw any type of dispenser shape. Dispenser shape you can any type of draw. That's your choice, guys. Yes, I am drawing like this, like a snail on garden. Okay, this is the first important thing. Second important thing is that you need to cut the drawn line. It's a bit hard to cut.
Here we go.
So crazy, man. You can take a large more and more sharpener scissors. That is very better to use. So guys, I take that very non-sharpened scissors, so that is why it is so a little creepy. It takes time. Either you can also take blade. So guys, it's so very hard, man. It's so crazy. Yeah, I got it. Because you can also take the protractor and also cut it, so that is very useful for guys. This is our base area. We need two base like this, two snail body like this. And second, take the under piece of cardboard and cut a straight line. You need to take a 3 cm line, guys, or 2 cm. That is your choice, guys. Because the tape size is very large, so that is why I am taking 3 cm. Just take the glue gun and glue the side of the cardboard and paste the one side of the snail body or dispenser body. You can give more glue to the dispenser body to it will not be move. So you can see Fevicol, Fevistick, etc. I am using glue gun. So guys, now take the second nail body and glue
Invincible.
at the next right side of the dispenser case. This is also a little very hard. Guys, give more effect to the dispenser case. So this is our base area. Most important thing is base area. So guys, the most important thing is that you need to hold the, you need to put hole. So guys, then take the another piece of cardboard and take the our tape and round the circle. We need 2 rounds. We need 2 rounds like this. Then we need to cut like 2. So guys, take the cutted piece and glue at the right side of the tape. like this. And take the other side and glue it. You need to press harder, so that is why it will be stick on like this. Okay, take the other side of the tape and glue like this. I am also saying you can take any type of glue like Fevikwik, Fevicol, MC like etc. That's your choice, guys. Okay, then take the next circle and paste it. Okay, this is our engine. This is our engine of our body. So guys, take the another piece of cardboard and glue at the side of the
Here we go.
dispenser. Oh, like this. So guys, you can take any type of blade. I am taking sharpener blade. So I guess you can take also shaving blade also. That's
Or you
what
can
choice,
use
guys.
shaving blade also.
Guys, I take it there.
Take the other piece.
So guys, we need to take the another piece of cardboard and glue at the top of the cardboard. And you want to fix the blade at the cardboard. Like this. This cardboard centimeter is length is 4 centimeter and breadth is 3 centimeter. So guys, now glue at the you need to cover the portion like this. So guys, now our at last our complete is ready. Now you need to
This is our base area.
apply our engine to our dispenser body. So this is our engine. So you need to bamboo stick. You need to hold like this. So guys, I give the link of the bamboo stick in the description box. You can buy it online. Guys, it's a little bit for so guys, this is our thing.
Invincible.
So guys, you can cut the half-ed portion. Like this. In that portion you can cut it. And you can glue the side of the dispenser case. Guys, now so guys, now
You can paste
write the tape dispenser. Or you can write it on the cardboard.
you can
Like this.
paste like this.
Yeah, we can create more decoration on the dispenser case. So guys, let's see how it is
Let's
perfect.
see how it will perform.
Oh guys, it's so easy, guys. It will be very useful for us.
Just take another thing.
So guys, I am telling that you must be make this thing. It will be useful for guys. Thank you. I think it will be useful for your life. So guys, if you like this video, click the like button. If you did not like this video, click the unlike button. If you need my latest like YouTube videos, click the subscribe button and tap the bell icon button. Thank you.